Okay, game!
Okay, game!
Fire!
Go, Casey! Go, Casey! Go! Yun!
Oh my gosh! So good!
I know!
Ate V does her chicken. I'm gonna wait for my bibe.
Choose your pet case!
I want the white one.
Okay, game!
Game! O, dyan ka!
Player number
Gagawin
2.
mo. Para makakuha.
Oh, kahit maliit. Go!
Go, Casey! Go, Casey! Go!
Go, matawa! Yan, yan, yan!
Oh, yan!
Ate, ba't kasi basa?
Okay, she has her eye on someone.
Yan, yan, yan!
Ayan, ayan, case!
Oh, ayan, oh! Pagod!
Workout today done! Ay! Ay! Ay!
Okay, can I see your hands?
Wow! Guys,
So
this
clean.
is the hands of hard work. Hard work is finally being washed. It's a real chase, guys. It's not a joke. So we are currently in our kubo.
Kasi pag hindi namin nilagay ng plastic, katulad kanina, may nagiging yellow siya, nasusungot siya ng bubuyog, this,
Wow!
Melody, just need to find my way.
Fighting!
So when I fall behind, just give me one more day.
I will be making Kalderetang Bibe with the help of Ate Rochelle, Ate Evie, and the people around here. And so, let's start it. Wish me luck. Ate Rosie, you're my coach.
Ang tunay.
Yung tunay na cook. Tapos gaganon din.
Oo.
Okay na.
Fighting! And, oh my gosh, first time ko maghiwa ng sibuyas.
Ako din. Tama yan. Tama yung ginawa mo.
So proud.
So proud.
Okay, tapos na. Next. Kung paano to gawin. Kasi dati, nung sa province, like, di ba ito yung binibigay sa akin na task? Kasi ito na yung pinakamadali. Ano ko? Kasi na ganun.
Case, not like that. Palo.
Yan.
Ganun yung kamay mo.
Yan.
malalaman talaga na hindi marunong.
Ikaw lang kung
Tinuloy
paano
mga
to.
kamay,
Okay na yan. Murder na yun.
Obsessed with time.
3, 2, 1. Magic!
In the final round of a lifelong game. So I still
Latang hindi marunong.
There's a first time for everything.
Kasi pampatanggal din ng lansa to.
So after slicing the onions and the garlic, we will be adding it here. Oh my gosh, ito talagang hindi ako marunong kasi natatakot talaga ako. Paano ba to? Sige, let's
Pitin
learn.
mo.
Ganyan. Oo. Yan, okay na yan.
Di po maandar.
Ay, hindi ko maanda. Ito.
Press.
Ayan.
Wala pa.
Again. Do it again.
Ulit.
Yun!
Oh my gosh! Tito Efren.
Ay!
Okay na.
Masyadong malakas.
Ah, paano ba?
Pababa. Piling pababa.
Ganyan?
Pababa.
Ganyan?
Pababa.
Ah, pababa.
Sige pa, sige. Sige pa.
Oh my gosh.
Sige pa, sagad mo.
Tito Efren, mag-hi ka.
Yan. Hi.
May coach tayo dito.
Ayan, okay na.
Nabahan ako.
Proud chef. Check, ma'am. Proud.
Okay, next. Oh, ate ko magsabi ka, ano kayo? Pwede ko bawang, mainit.
Hindi pa.
Yan. Nakita mo tabilid.
Okay, so first I will be adding the oil to the kawali. So I'll be adding oil to the kawali.
Ayan.
Okay, ate, let me have one. Okay na yan?
Sige.
Okay na yan? Okay na yan? Okay. Thank you.
Sige lang, so ewan mo, mahangin eh.
Ay, kailangan.
Dagdagan mo.
Dagdagan?
Mahangin eh.
Mahina yung ano eh. Wow.
Oh, ito pala yung cooking. Meron akong coach dito sa ride, Tito Efren. Kaya ngayon ito lang. Tayo maganda. Yung kawali. Yung oil.
May coach ka pala dito.
May coach. Be adding the luya. Ba't tumasik? Malakas? Ano ba hinaan?
Yan pa konti. Mahangin kasi kanina.
Yan, like that.
Yan.
Okay, yan.
Halo yung
Ay,
muna.
therefore.
Kasi sa ako, marunong ka mag-cook.
Oh, wow.
Daming coach.
My coach!
Luya pa lang.
Ate pala, masunog na yung luya.
Lagyan mo na yung bawang.
Okay, next is the onion.
Bawang.
Ay, ano bang bawang? Next is the garlic.
Sige, lagyan mo na lahat yan. Para masarap.
Wow, okay. And then halo. And then after the garlic is the onion. Pag nag-brown na siya. Okay. Coach 1, coach 2, coach 3. And then the next one will be adding the onions. Okay. Ang dami ng onions.
Sayang yun.
Just need to find my way. So when I
At the second duck.
Peking duck.
Yes.
Bibe? Ano yun?
Second duck.
Original duck.
Ay, ate, ang bigat. Sige.
Sige na, bot.
Hindi, girl, ang bigat talaga. So, we'll be adding the duck into the kawali.
Duck meat yan mo.
The duck
Kasi pag
meat.
duck lang,
The
baka
bibe. The
live
duck
yun.
meat. Duck meat. Not the duck. Tapos, kailangan lahat na, diba?
Natin.
Ate, ang bigat talaga.
Extra.
Yan.
Handa ka pa.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Bango ah. Bango ah.
Wow! So this is Bibe. Bibe. Baby.
Singit ako nagawa dyan kayo.
Hi, ate. Wow, I have another coach with me.
May +1 coach.
Adobo?
Yes, adobong kaldereta.
Kaldereta.
Adobo muna, tapos gagawing kaldereta, sabi.
Pwede ba yun?
Ganun daw ang kaldereta, ina-adobo muna. Oh, see, I heard. Workout pala to eh.
Wow, she's cooking.
Cooking.
So good.
I know. So the next thing I'll be adding is the gata. This is the gata for the caldereta. Oh my gosh. Ganito karami.
So, palalambutin mo dyan.
So sisip-sipin niya ganito.
Lalasa ngayon dyan yung gatas.
Yan, ate to the rescue
Ate,
again.
lumalakas. Ate, lumalakas. Yes! Ate Rosie to the rescue.
Manila to province si Ate Rosie pa rin.
with no end.
We we will let it cook for about 1 hour or more, depending on how soft it will be by then. Hi! So right now, I'm actually back at the house. I'm going back to the farm to check what's happening with what I'm cooking. But right now, I just took a quick break. Ate Rochelle and Ate Rosie took over in cooking, and I will be back there to finish what I started. We are cooking! Ay, ate, may nilagay ko! While we let it soften, we added toyo, chili, and pepper. So we'll be adding another set of gata or the coconut milk. Wow! And after that, we'll be adding the liver spread. We'll also be adding potatoes. Then we'll be mixing it. Oh my gosh, ang bango yan, no? Okay, so let's taste it. Pero ang sarap niya. Nakikita ko yung difference nung chicken sa nung beef. So we're finally done making the Kalderetang Bibe thanks to the help of Ate Rochelle and Ate Rosie and everyone who helped as well. Thank you. I think we can already serve this to everyone. So we just finished making the Kalderetang Bibe. As in, this is the first dish I've ever made and I really learned a lot. I really hope everyone will like it. I think that is all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye! Go, Kuya! Kaya mo yan nabulin! Kuya, swimming na raw!
Just my type, I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my light. Can I take you there?